Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll learn how to paint on glass and get that stained glass effect. For this DIY we'll need a glass. Wash it with soap water and let it dry naturally. You will need a glass color. I'm using Fevicryl glass color which are water based. This kit comes along with a black outliner, so you don't have to buy an extra outliner for this project. And it has 6 shades. They also have a pack of 10 shades, but for beginners this is perfect. First select a design, then print it out. I have my design here. I'll place the glass on my design. Now take the black outliner and adjust the nozzle. It comes along with the pack. Now start drawing the design. Place the nozzle in 60-degree angle so that you can see the design clearly. Make sure you don't leave any gap in between. Once you complete outlining the design, let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. Now you can remove the printed design. Now it's been more than 1 hour and my outline has almost dried. Place a white sheet under your glass so that you can see the design clearly. Now start filling. Do not over squeeze the bottle as you'll get lots of bubble. Just gently squeeze the bottle and spread the color within the outline. Once you complete a color and you have to change another color, make sure you clean the tip of the bottle and close it tightly. I'll be applying another coat of brown on the stem to get a darker shade, but it's totally optional. We'll learn about mixing the shades in next tutorial. If there are any bubbles, break the bubbles with a needle before the painting dries. Once your painting is completed, do not touch or move the painting for the next 24 hours. Now my painting is completely dried. Like and share this video and click the subscribe button for more videos.